Welcome to Century Chute Easy Wave product line of trash and linen chute systems. The purpose for this series of base station configuration videos is to illustrate some examples of advanced features. This video is not a substitute for the manual. It is intended to complement written instructions with sample demonstrations to help users become familiar with the user interface and system configuration possibilities. Section 3 of the manual describes the master controller configuration options. Configuration parameters enable or disable specific control functions and optional system features. Changing parameter settings directly impact operation of the chute control system. Usually parameters only need to be configured at equipment installation time and sometimes when equipment is added or removed. For example, after a door is closed, the control system inserts a wait time delay before the next door can be opened. The parameter fall time controls this function. When the parameter value is increased, the wait time delay will also be increased. Parameter settings are accessed and changed through the base station user interface. After power is applied to the base station, set the toggle switch to the locked out position. Use a combination of the menu button, display prompts, and the select button to navigate through the system of menu options and selection choices. The menu system is organized into a structure of main menu and sub-menu items. Press the menu button to advance through the item list. At the end of the main menu list, pressing the menu button loops back around to the first item again. When an upper-level menu item is displayed, press the Select button to display the relevant sub-menu list. Now, pressing the menu button advances through the sub-menu. At the end of a sub-menu list, pressing the menu button returns back up to the upper-level main menu. To configure a specific parameter, get directions from the manual and use this navigation process to display the parameters on the user interface. For numeric parameters, both the value and unit of measurement are displayed. Press the Select button to increase the value. Numeric parameters are restricted to a range of values. At the maximum limit, pressing the Select button loops around to the minimum value. Specific max and min limits for this range are listed in the user's manual for each parameter. To display the next parameter in the list, press the menu button. Binary parameters turn options on or off and use the values true or false. Press the Select button to switch between the two states. Press the menu button to advance to the next parameter in the list and eventually return to the upper level main menu. To enable the chute control system and begin using the new parameter settings, set the toggle switch to the enabled position. Please note, when navigating through the user interface menu system, the toggle switch can be set back to the enabled position at any time. It is not necessary to navigate out of the parameter submenu up to the main menu before moving the toggle switch back to the enabled position. This concludes our training video, and thank you for choosing Century Chute Easy Wave product line of trash and linen chute systems. Please refer to the Easy Wave chute system operating instructions and the Easy Wave chute system installation manual for additional information.